how to change your Google Chrome profile picture to your custom profile picture. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to add your custom profile picture onto your Google Chrome account over here, here's what you need to do. So first thing, open up your Google Chrome browser, and once inside here, just tap on this your profile icon from the top right corner, and you can just tap on this customize profile to actually customize your profile accordingly. But you can see, as you can see, there is no option to directly customize your profile according to your picture or your image, because it is only provided the default image is over here or default icon. So now to do that, to add your default picture or your customizable picture, all you have to do is just log in or sync in with your Google account. So make sure, as you can see, this is my Google account over here. So let's say I want to import that particular image over here, that is my custom image. So I will simply sign in to Chrome just like this. Once you're inside here, you just have to enter your email address or phone number and just log into your Google account. And just like that, you should have successfully just click on this I'm in button, which will automatically sync in or turn on the sync for your account. And just like that, you should have successfully imported the Google account profile image to your. Now if you like to change your profile picture to different profile picture other than this Google account profile picture, so to do that, just tap on this manage your Google account option over here, and once you tap on that, just tap on this personal info section from the left section, and from over here you can see there's an option that is profile picture. So simply select it. Once you select it, you can just tap on this change button to actually change from your either from your computer or your Google Photos or illustrations as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.